Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from all devices on Shoppay. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Shoppay and already logged in as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Shoppay on in the screen. So now you can see there is profile icon at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, or you can see just down below of this screen. So let's tap on that profile icon and let's tap in the settings. So now you can see there is login and security option in here. So just tap on that drop down icon and you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see there is log out of all devices option in here. So you simply need to tap on that and just tap on the logout everywhere, and yeah, you will be able to log out from all devices successfully. So basically this is how you can log out from all devices on Shoppay. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.